How to check if your message was read on WhatsApp. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to check if your message was read or not on WhatsApp using the Read Receipts feature. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded WhatsApp on a device. For iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and for Android user, you can download it from Google Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open WhatsApp. Make sure to log into your account. After you log into your account, go to the chat section from the bottom. Now open the chat where you sent your message. Each message has a small check marks below it. 1 grey tick means it was sent, 2 grey tick means it was delivered, and 2 blue tick means it was read by recipient. Here you can see that this message that I have sent was read by the other person. For more details, just tap and hold the message, then tap info. Here you can see exactly when it was delivered and when it was read. Now if you don't see blue ticks, it could mean the read recipients are turned off either by you or the other person. And that's it. This is how you know if your WhatsApp message has been read. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.